Hey Joanna, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you a short video for you all going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And so the first one is content, and that's everything that you can visually read on your website here, but it also includes every single photo that you have. And the reason that it also includes all of the photos is because Google has a capability of seeing what's behind them. And all that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded to the site? And Google wants to see that you're providing value to your readers, as well as seeing what keywords are on the website, so that they know who to connect you to whenever people are searching in that Google search result there. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage, and then those keywords embedded throughout to be considered an authority with Google. And one example of a keyword is Garage Builder Minneapolis. And whenever your future customers are typing this into the Google search bar, the first thing that's populating are ads. And so ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now let's scroll past those. This section right here is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business go into this section here. And the top 3 spots here get the majority of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile, and with a really fast search, I see that you all do have one here. And so the next thing would be to have this be completely optimized. And so a couple things to keep in mind: you want to be consistent with these 5-star reviews. You guys are doing great, just keep it up. And then the next thing, and a very vital time-consuming thing, are those citations that I mentioned. All a citation is, it's your business name, the address if you have it here, and the phone number exactly as it is on your Google business profile in your local directories. Some examples of that would be Facebook, Yelp, anything like that. So you want to make sure that you have more of those citations, as well as keeping up with your 5-star reviews and just having this profile be completely filled out. And then that way you can rank in the top 3 here and then get some of your share of that 30 to 40% of business for yourself. And if we scroll down here, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. The remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here, and this is where your website is ranking. It looks like you are at the bottom of the first page, top of the second page for this keyword. And it's great that you are, in that area there, but it's important to be as high up as possible on the first page. Over 90% of people stay on the first page, and the majority of those people will stay in the top 3 spots. And so you want to be on the first page as high up as possible to get your share of that 60 to 70% of business. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs. What's awesome about this is we can see the back end of your website. So these ratings here, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You'll have 2.3 and 17. What's making up your ratings here are 940 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 89 referring domains. And all a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks and there are spammy low quality backlinks. You want the high quality ones so that these numbers are boosted. The low quality ones, the spammy ones, can bring these numbers down. And so this is important is because you want your ratings higher than your competitors, so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result. But something that goes hand in hand with this are what's called keywords. So right now you have 80 keywords on your website, And this is important because you want to be boosted to the top of that Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. And so here I recommend what's called buyer intent keywords, and that way you can get quality leads landing on your site to begin with. And the thing is that the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that will convert into your customers there. And so right now, you'll have 38 monthly website traffic to your site. So we can do the exact same thing with every single competitor that you have. So right now, this is who was ranking for that keyword that we were looking at earlier. And so we can see here that they have 1.2, 1.4, so you guys are beating them here. What's making up their ratings are 57 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 31 referring domains, and they have 172 keywords on their site and 229 monthly website traffic. So we can see that there's a lot of potential here for you all. And something that we can do is we can take a look at every single backlink that your competitors have and link those high quality backlinks to you, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you, as well as seeing what keywords are on their site, what are they ranking for, what's those high quality keywords that we want to make sure are on your website and that you are ranking for. So right now let's take a quick peek here. So they are ranking for Minneapolis Garage Builders. 150 people are searching every single month for that specific keyword. Minneapolis Garage 100, Garage Builders 100, 70, 100. You can see that this list keeps going here. And they have pages of keywords here. But what we would want to do is we want to make sure that you have those words that are applicable to you and your business for the services that you provide in the areas that you service, and that you're ranking for them. Because like I said, the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. So you'd want to make sure that you have more citations so that you're ranking in that Google Map Pack section, so that you're getting your share of that 30 to 40% of business that goes there. And then with your website, you'd want to make sure that you have those keywords and those high quality backlinks linking to your site so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result there. And I hope that this short video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.